Hi, Srivalli.
Hi, Shanti.
Okay, here is a JD. Let us discuss it. LLM, Ops Engineer, Cloud and Generative AI role. Okay,
Okay.
so the job summary is as an LLM Ops Engineer for Cloud and Generative AI, you will play a crucial role in building and maintaining the infrastructure and pipelines for cutting edge large language models. Working closely with generative AI architects, your expertise in automating and streamlining the LLM lifecycle will be instrumental in ensuring the efficiency, scalability, and reliability of generative AI models. Basically, LLMs are nothing but
Mm,
whatever with AI features you are going to build it, all will be there. Okay. Mm,
mm,
it can be bought also. It can give with a lot of trained model kind of thing. Okay, this position will be based on site at Ohio. Okay, the responsibilities are conceptualize, develop, and execute machine learning LLM pipeline separate specifically for LLM models, basically, including data acquisition, pre-processing, training and tuning, deployment and monitoring. So basically, ML related activities will be pre-processing is there, data acquisition is part of that ML activity, pre-processing also, model training also, and tuning the model also, and deployment and monitoring also. All these activities are coming from ML. But to prepare all these things, we are going to build LLMs, large language models. The large language models are, it can be typical to chat GPT kind of tools or some other tools also. Those are meeting for our requirements. Then
mhm,
utilize automation tools such as GitOps, CI/CD pipelines, and containerization technologies, Docker, Kubernetes, to
mhm,
streamline ML LLM tasks across the large language model lifecycle. It means they're using containers for building that kind of stuff. Okay.
mhm,
Establish robust monitoring and alerting systems to track large language model performance, data drift, and other key metrics, proactively identifying and resolving issues. So,
mhm,
monitoring and alerting you have seen in one of the solutions what we discussed a few days back. It is part
mm,
of that. When you deploy ML ops using the uh, machine learning, auto ML is there in Azure, right?
mm,
Um, Azure ML is there. In that, it comes monitoring also. We have discussed that topic also, right, in one day session, right?
mhm,
So, perform truth analysis to assess the accuracy and effectiveness of LLM outputs, comparing them to non-accurate data. Basically, comparison is also one of the activities from the LLM model. Okay, collaborate closely with infrastructure, DevOps teams, and generative AI architects to optimize model performance and resource utilization. Basically, you need to, as engineer, you need to coordinate with these teams for optimization and performance acceleration purpose. That model performance acceleration.
mm,
Oversee and maintain cloud infrastructure, specifically for large language model workloads, ensuring cost efficiency and scalability. So these are the things here. Either Azure or AWS, one need to be perfect. Okay, stay current with the latest advancements in ML, LLM ops, integrating these developments into generative AI platforms and processes. So we have seen many generative AI topics, around 10 topics we pulled it within the cognitive services. So those need to be integrated it and it can be implemented under AI platforms and processes. So communicate effectively with both technical and non-technical stakeholders, providing data updates on the performance and status of large language models. So this is the role of this particular engineer. He need to work with AI architects also to get the requirements and transform them into LLMs. Okay, so
mhm,
the qualifications is asking here. One is bachelor's degree, of course, at least 5 years of experience as an ML engineer within public cloud platforms, strong programming skills in Python and other languages, expertise in cloud platforms for ML workloads, ML ops, DevOps, data engineering. Okay. Proven experience in NML, MLOps, LLM ops are related roles with hands-on experience deploying and maintaining machine learning large language model pipelines. So this is the important thing. ML DevOps is ML ops. So we need to do one solution demo also on that. Okay, so familiarity with generative AI applications and domains such as content creation, data augmentation, style transfer. Yes, obviously. Then strong knowledge of generative AI architectures and methods, including chunking, vectorization, context based retrieval, and search, working with large language models such as OpenAI, these LLMs basically. Okay, so preferred requirements are strong understanding of cybersecurity principles and best practices to ensure the integrity, security, and confidentiality of data. Knowledge of AI ethics and understanding how to apply trustworthy AI to ensure safe, responsible, and ethical use of AI technology. Experience with data engineering and data visualization tools and techniques. So passion for learning and exploring new generative AI technologies and methods. So that is the thing, and let us discuss further things in offline.
Mhm.